It's Thursday, so we have a lot of stuff to get done today. So let's just dive in today. You have to watch your Bible video, Proverbs 6:20 today. Remember to do your motions with me and sing, talk it out with me. You also have to go watch your Numbers video, how to count 1 through 20, just for a refresher. And then we're gonna do some numbers worksheets. We're gonna do some cursive ends. We're gonna do some vowel sounds, some consonant sounds, some blends. All right, are you ready to dive in today? I'm ready to dive in with you. So the very first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna do a worksheet together, okay? So when we're gonna do a worksheet, I mean, we're gonna do a worksheet. So you have a worksheet that we did one on the other side yesterday. So it looks like this on this side. It's page number 18. Okay? So I want you to go ahead and pull it out for me, and I'll wait on you for you to pull it out, okay? All right, when you have that pulled out, you're gonna write the number that I tell you to in the box, inside the box, okay? Turn to the correct side, and then we'll begin. All right, the first letter you're gonna write in the purple box is letter number 2. Write letter number 2 in the box. All right. In the blue box, you are going to write number 1. Okay. In the green box, you are going to be writing the number 4. Write the number 4 in the green box. All right, and then in the red box, you're going to write number 3. In the red box, you are writing number 3. All right, in the next section, do you know your left from your rights? So when you put up your hands, your right hand and your left hand always looks like an L. Your right hand doesn't, okay? So just for you to know, your left hand is this hand over here is your left hand. It looks like an L, okay? So, color the shirt on the left green. Color the shirt on the right red. Left, right. And after you have done that, you're going to trace and write the number 4. So remember, you always start at the red dot, and we go down, over, back up, and down. You gotta finish completing this one, and then you do your 4s by yourself, okay? After you have finished this worksheet, unpause this video, and we will move on to another worksheet. All right, you ready? So, we're moving on to the next worksheet. It has the Jack in the Box on it. Pull this worksheet out for me. It's page number 19. All right, so what we're gonna do, you're gonna fill in the circle bubble under the number that I tell you, okay? So, number the yellow. Yellow, this box right here. bubble in the circle that has number 7 in it. Bubble in number 7. The green bubble over here, you're going to bubble in number 6. Bubble in number 6. And then in the pink bubble, bubble in number 3. Color in the circle bubble number 3. Then in the blue bubble, you're going to bubble in number 8. Bubble in number 8. Then in the purple circle, bubble in number 4. Bubble in number 4. And then in the orange circle, bubble in number 0. 0. Okay. Now, we're moving on to the bottom part. We've already learned how to write and trace 1 through 4. So what I want you to do is I want you to trace and write number 4. Well, 1 through 4. So trace your 1, always start at the red dot, trace your 1, trace your 2, trace your 3, trace your 4. And then write your 1, write your 2, write your 3, and write your 4. All right? You can do this worksheet. Trace this, write it, and then when you're done, come back and find me. All right, now flip it over. This side, you are to find and circle the hidden numbers. So in the picture, there are numbers that are hidden. For example, the first number I see is down here in the bucket, and that is number 8. So circle that. You have other numbers in there, like you have number 3, number 5, and 9, and 7, and 6, and 4, and 10, and 2, and 1. So I want you to find all of your numbers on here and circle them for me. And if you want to, you can finish coloring the picture, but you don't have to do that if you don't want to, okay? So pause this video, go find your numbers. If you want to color, and then come back and find me. Welcome back. So we are going to move on to phonics. So this week we've been learning about the letter N sounds and the letter B sounds. So I want to show you my letter friend. You know, this past Tuesday, I introduced you to my letter friend B. Well, I have a letter friend N who I want you to meet too. So look over here, look who I have. So remember, we can have blends that have consonants and vowels. So when that happens, a consonant and a vowel combine and they make friends. They make a new sound together. So our N and our A make a sound, our N and our E make a sound, our N and our I make a sound, our N and our O make a sound, and our N and U make a sound. Remember, A says ah, E says eh, O says ah, and U says Okay? So, can you put the N with it too? Do N and A together. And no, no, ne, ne, no, no, n, no, nah. Okay, so that's something simple for you to do. I want you to practice your blend ladder. Okay. Now, I have something that I want you to do. It's another worksheet. I know. Shake your hands out for me, okay? Shake them out. Shake them. 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 Okay. So we're gonna do another worksheet, and it's it's basically learning to see if you know your vowel sounds and your consonant sounds. So we haven't learned all of the sounds of the consonant, but I know that you probably already know them. And if you don't, that's okay. We're learning as we go, right? So you're gonna pull out page number 18. It looks like this. All right, so the first part says, circle the initial consonant that you hear in the word. The first picture, tomato, ta. Circle the ta sound. All right. Banana, banana. Nurse, nurse. All right, circle the vowel you hear in each word. Octopus, octopus. Astronaut, astronaut. Egg, egg. Circle the vowel sounds you hear in those photos. Then circle the blend that the beginning sound you hear. Okay? So this right here is a log. Log. Do you hear an LA or an LO? Ah. Over here, this is a lamp. La. Right here, this is a list. Do you hear or I? List. This right here, this is a lemon. Le. Circle the LE or the LA. Do you hear or a? Or a? And lemon. Okay. Then I want you to color those photos for me. A log is brown, a list can be any color, a lemon is yellow, and a lamp can be whatever color you want it to be, okay? When you get done circling your answers and coloring, come back and we're going to learn about cursive. Welcome back. So we've already learned how to do this cursive. We're just reviewing letter N again. So for us to remember how to do letter N, I'm going to show you my handy dandy card. So remember, when we're doing letter N, we always start at the red dot. We go up and over, and make a tail. We go up and down, back up again, back down, and a tail. All right. So now it's your turn to practice. So, what you're gonna do Oh. Yeah, page 20. 21, my bad. Wrong side. You're gonna do page 21. Okay? And you're gonna do the warm-up. Put your name on the paper. And you're gonna practice doing your ends. And then trace all your ends. And then you have a surprise. You have an N and a U together. So remember, we go up, down, keep going, up and around to make an N and a U. So when we do an N and a U, we're gonna go here. We're gonna go up, then down, up and down, up and around. Okay? Now, you do have a few surprises in there. For example, you have an I in there, you have a U in there, you also have an N and an I over here to trace. Okay? Take your time on this worksheet. After you're done with this side, you're gonna flip it over and you're gonna do this side. And you're gonna trace find your L, your O, your T, and your A, and you're gonna trace it to the cursive ones down here. Or make a line to the cursive ones down here. Then you're gonna trace your L, you're gonna trace your N, you trace your N, your N and your I, your L, your N, and then your B, your B and your B, your N, and then your N and your I, and your N and your E. And then what you're gonna do your B here, your N here, your N and your I here, your B here, your N here, and your N and your E here. Okay? Take your time on both of these sides. I know it's a lot of cursive today. I know you can do it. I have faith in you. Tomorrow, that's basically all I have for you today. But tomorrow, it is pretty relaxed. We're gonna do a couple of things and then we will have a great weekend together. So I will see you tomorrow. I hope you have a fabulous day and then bye.